Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we will be making a delicious mixed fruits recipe that you can use throughout the Christmas season for if you're baking black cake or fruit cake. Remember, for all the ingredients and measurements, it will be listed down below in the description box. Now here is what you will need. Let's get started. Now for ingredients, here I have some orange peel. I have some prunes, black raisins, some golden raisins, and cherries. And in this little container here, I have some store-bought pureed fruits. It's a product of Guyana, which is mainly made out of the five finger, or some of us may know it as star fruit. If you can't find it where you live, it's totally fine to omit that from the recipe. And here I have some red wine. You can use any red wine of your choice. I also have here some red rum. You can use any red rum of your choice. I'm using some Captain Morgan spice rum, which I find, in my opinion, is the best for baking or soaking fruits. And here in my container I have some spice, clove, and whole pimento. Now to my large glass jar, I'm going to go in with all of my fruits. Now, after you add in all your fruits, you're going to go in with your spices, followed by your wine and your red rum. Now with a spatula, you're just going to press everything down to the bottom. We want all the fruits to be covered under the wine. You're then going to cover your jar, and we're going to store this in a cool, dark area, somewhere in your pantry. You don't want to have too much sunlight hitting the bottle. And now returning after 6 days, here's a look at my fruits. What you want to do is empty it into a large bowl, and we are going to blend this into a puree consistency. Now before I start blending my fruits, I'm going to go in and remove my cinnamon stick. Today I'll be using my hand blender, and I'm going to blend this to the consistency that I like. If you like it more on the chunkier side, then go ahead and keep it that way, but it's all up to you and what you like. Now here's a look after I finish blending my fruits. Now I'm just going to go in with my pureed fruits, my store-bought puree fruits I showed you earlier in the video. What you want to do is just empty everything into the bowl and mix it to make sure that everything is well combined and evenly distributed. Now after everything is nicely distributed, this is how it should be looking. Now, all you have to do is store this in a clean jar, and it's good for months. Now that brings us to the end of today's video. I do hope you enjoy watching this video as much as I enjoy making it for you all. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel if you haven't yet subscribed for more delicious recipe. As usual, I want to say thank you for watching, goodbye, and I'll see you in my next video.